It says that he's got a few slip discs.
My left leg is shorter.
Yeah, naturally.
Which is why it is having a reaction in my spine.
What is defeat? What does it mean to be defeated? Is it losing and failing? Defeat is that doubt in your head. A demon that feeds on your fear. It tells you you're not good enough. That you can't do it. That it's not possible. Succumbing to that demon, that thought, that is defeat. So it's just an idea I fear when I'm scared of a challenge. Defeat isn't even a real thing. It's just an illusion. It's that monster inside my head that keeps me where I am. But victory never happens in that comfort zone. You have to get out. The pain in your body, that's the demon. Orders you to give up. Enough, it says. No more. And all I have is my spirit. And that's my fuel. To push myself beyond that limit of pain, I must step out of my comfort zone. Uncomfortable is my new friend. I will find my heart to fight with my mind. I will not be afraid, because I will never give up. Before I can climb Everest, I have to conquer that mountain inside my head. Before I can make something of me, I must kill that demon of doubt. I have to forget what failure means. Before I can give victory a shot, I have to defeat.